Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. I am here to show you guys wonder. So guys, today's video is all about lemongrass. So before we dive into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Let's get started. So I just plucked this lemongrass this morning, which I need to wash it very well. Like, you have to wash it very well because you are using this for your hair, like you are using it on your hair, so you need to wash it very well to make sure that everything is very clean, like all the particles are out. Okay, so after washing it, I put it inside pot to boil it. So to boil this, I'm going to boil it for like 5 to 10 minutes or more to make sure that the ingredient is out. So now, as you can see, it's all ready because the color has changed already. Like, the brown color is out already to show that, yeah, like at this point the whole kitchen, like the whole house was already smelling like lemon. Like, you guys know how this thing can smell, right? Like, the smell was, oh my god. So after I boiled it for some time, I let it to cool down, and this is the amount I need for my hair for now. So I poured it into my spray bottle. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how I am using this water to hydrate my hair. Please pardon any noise that you are getting around this video because my mic died, and you know this is Nigeria. Any noise can happen or any noise can be heard. Okay, so I'm using it to hydrate my hair. After hydrating my hair, I'm going to seal in the mixture. Like, I love this remedy so much because it helps to strengthen my hair. It also prevents scalp irritation. Like, you don't have to complain about my scalp is scratching me, this one is happening to my scalp. No, it can also help to regrow your hair. Like, if you have been experiencing anything like hair loss lately, this remedy will help to regrow your hair. You don't have to complain about, or you won't have to complain about anything concerning hair loss. Trust me guys, try this remedy and thank me later. And I also want to tell some of you guys that keep saying that I have a healthy hair, I have a healthy hair. Baby girl, you don't have a healthy hair if you are not taking care of your hair. Like, where would the healthy hair come from when you are not taking care of the hair? Baby girl, take care of your hair and thank me later because you're gonna love your hair like never before. So after hydrating your hair, make sure that you seal in the mixture. It's very, very important. You don't just spray any water on your hair and leave it that way. Okay, make sure that you are using your leave-in conditioner or your hair butter or your hair oil. Okay, make sure that you are sealing in the mixture. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and I also hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Bye.